What's going on YouTube? In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I upgraded the puddle lights on my Yukon right here. As you saw earlier, they are much brighter than the original lights. So if you guys want to see how I did it or try it yourself, make sure you stay tuned and let's get to it. Alright guys, so as you can see, the puddle light is right under the side mirrors and they're only held on by a clip right in the front in this area. All you have to do is pry it open with a flathead. If you've never done it, it's pretty simple. It'll pop right out. And you guys know that I like to customize my own things a little bit different, so I'll be doing the same thing with the puddle lights. So what I'll do is I'll end up modifying the original housing for the LEDs, so I won't be using the factory style LED inside. So I'll go ahead and show you right now in a little bit the LEDs that I'll be using. Also, if you're new to the channel and wanted to know a little bit more on my Yukon, it is on a 5.7 drop. And while I was filming this video, I did go ahead and have like 2 sets of different wheels because I did it in different days, but usually I'll have it on the 26s, but in this clip you'll see more of the 22s, which are on it right now, and they're just on a stock tire size. So let me go ahead and show you on the lights right now though. Alright guys, so these are the LEDs that I'll be using right here. They are a projector style and they came 10 in a pack, so that was plenty, and I also had a few extras left over. But I'll go ahead and link the items down below in the description if you wanted to check them out. So I'll go ahead and show you right now how I'll modify my factory puddle light to accept these, and let's get to it. Alright, so I went ahead and uninstalled my puddle light housing, and this is what it looks like right here. You've probably seen them before. Most of them will have like a halogen bulb or LED inside, but I'll be having to remove that and modifying it. So I'll be putting my LEDs right outside here, and I'm gonna be cutting either the plastic or removing the tab from the bottom so it can be flat. And here on the right side, I'll show you what it looks like. It'll just be something like this, just flat with the tabs on it, because you do need those to mount it. Also, if you can't get it this flat, you can also take the plastic from the top and just cut it in half, like real low on the bottom. It'll have like a small lip, so either flat like this or with a small lip, they'll both work as long as the LED is able to be flush mounted from the bottom to the top. So essentially you can pick how many LEDs you want to put on here. You can put from 1 to 3, so a max of 3 and the minimum is 1. Let me go ahead and drill these holes out and I'll show you real quick, so let's check it out. Alright guys, so after I drilled the holes, this is what it looks like. As you can tell, they fit perfect and they look really good. The only thing that I don't like is that it looks like yellow, because I guess the plastic is old or something. But so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spray paint this black and make it look all like part of the mirror, because the LEDs, the surround is black, and then also the mirror is black from the bottom. So I'll just go ahead and slightly scuff it and go ahead and put some flat black paint on it, and that should be good to go right there. Alright, so here it is all freshly painted. I think it makes it look way better instead of that yellow color. I prefer, like, you know, a more darker color so it'll match the mirror. And I'll just go ahead and start wiring it up right now. As you see here, I already got the pods installed, ready to go. And I'll be putting out these outdoor connectors. That way I can go ahead and unplug the light if I ever need to change it or upgrade it. And it'll be easier, you know, like that way I don't have to have no wires hanging and stuff like that. As far as the connection goes, it's just gonna be a 2-pin connector. This one has 3 wires, so I'll just be cutting off 1 so I can have 2 for a positive and negative. And I'll just solder them together right now, and I'll show you guys in the car how it looks like too. So let's check that out. Alright, so here you can see the factory wiring. It's just a 2-pin plug. It's real simple. The black wire is gonna be your ground, and then the lighter color is gonna be the positive. So black is ground, and in my case the orange and black stripe is positive. It might be different colors, but like I said, it's just 2-pin. Even if you reverse them, like, you'll be able to tell if it's working or not. And if you have it the wrong way, it just won't come on. I mean, you can't really mess it up. So here on the passenger side, I already went ahead and soldered them. All I gotta do is add some tape, because you don't want them touching, and that'll be pretty much it right there. It'll have the quick connect ready to go, and now I can go ahead and try out my lights. Alright guys, so this is the final product once it's all soldered up and spray painted. I think it came out real good. It almost looks like you could just buy it off the shelf. But let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. And also, if you're enjoying this content, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let me go ahead and install it real quick. Okay, so I got the passenger side installed right here, and as you can see, to me it looks like it was made for it. But you let me know down below in the comments, what do you think about this, and if you're gonna be trying this on your own truck as well. Alright guys, so that'll be pretty much it for this video. Also, if you have any other ideas of videos you'd like me to make, you can leave them down below in the comments and I'll check them out. So I'll leave you here with some other shots of the puddle lights, and I'll see you guys on the next one. We're gone.